Hey, welcome back to PickSnap. Today's list is 16 quiet fixes, cleaning gear, smart home upgrades, and personal tech that solve problems you've just been living with. Every product is linked below. Let's get into it. Scrubbing a bathtub by hand is one of those chores nobody actually finishes properly. The ShuxT Spin Scrubber gives you three adjustable rotation speeds, 360, 380, and 420 RPM, so you can match the power to the surface, soft or stubborn. It comes with 8 brush heads and a storage stand, so there's a head for tile, grout, tubs, and flat flooring. No dead spots left behind. IPX7 waterproof, adjustable long handle, digital display, and a 2500 milliamp hour battery good for 2 hours of continuous cleaning. One charge, the whole bathroom done. Link below. Every driver eventually hits this moment. A tire light comes on and there's no gas station nearby. The Ventus Pro is a cordless portable air compressor with a 19mm high-performance motor pushing up to 150 psi and 22 liters per minute airflow, fast enough to bring a standard tire from 29 to 36 psi in about a minute. It runs on a built-in 4800 milliamp hour battery for true cordless use, or plugs into your 12-volt socket for unlimited runtime on bigger jobs. 5 quick presets,
PSI,
compatible with
and I
Schrader,
am going to
Presta,
set
and
a
Dunlop
timer.
valves, aluminum
I'm
alloy
going to set a
body,
timer and we're
digital
going to see which
display
one
with auto
finishes and how
shutoff,
long it
and
takes
an
for each one
LED
to
light
finish.
with SOS flashing mode for
We're going to
roadside
start
emergencies, backed by a
right now.
24-month warranty. This is the inflator that actually keeps up. Link below. If you record videos, take calls, or live stream, you already know the problem with fixed tripods. You move, the frame doesn't. The Crienten tripod uses real-time AI to track your face or body and rotates 360 degrees to keep you centered, no app required. It reads simple hand gestures to start and pause tracking, includes a Bluetooth remote, and comes with 2 detachable adjustable fill lights for low-light shooting. Standard 1/4-inch screw mount. Phone holder expands to fit 2 to 4 inches wide. Set it, step back, and let it follow you. Link below. Traveling with an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and AirPods usually means 3 separate cables tangled in a bag. The PaktVault station folds flat like a small suitcase and charges all 3 simultaneously. iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods using strong N52 magnets for automatic alignment. It includes temperature control, overcharge and overcurrent protection, and foreign object detection, and can take an iPhone from 0 to 100% in roughly 2.5 to 3.5 hours. Comes with a 20-watt QC 3.0 wall charger and a USB-C cable in the box. Foldable, fast, and it looks better than the cable pile it replaces. Link below. Ever wanted to label something, journal creatively, or print a quick barcode without owning a full printer? The iDPRT is a pocket-sized, inkless Bluetooth thermal printer that connects to your phone and prints at 203 dpi. No ink, no toner, just load thermal paper and go. It's built for labels, DIY journaling, and quick custom stickers, and it's compact enough to carry anywhere. Simple, portable, and genuinely useful once it's in your bag. Link below. Not every switch in your home is smart home ready, especially the old rocker switches and buttons on appliances that were never built for it. The Fingerbot Plus sticks onto almost any button or switch and physically presses it for you, turning ordinary appliances into remote controllable devices through the Smart Life app. It now has a built-in touch button for instant on-off control, and pairing it with a MOES 2-YA Bluetooth hub unlocks remote access and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. Installs with a sticker in seconds, runs on a replaceable CR2 battery. No rewiring, no tools, just smarter old appliances. Link below. If you ever handed a jar to someone else because your grip just couldn't crack the lid, that's exactly the problem this solves. This one-touch electric jar opener works on most standard-sized jars and bottles, sauce jars, pickle jars, mason jars, with a single push of a button. The non-slip, anti-slip silicone grip keeps the jar steady and secure during operation, and the compact, lightweight design means it stores easily in a kitchen drawer or comes along on a picnic. Especially useful for arthritis sufferers, seniors, or anyone who's tired of fighting with lids. Link below. Regular lighters run out of fluid and matches don't work in the wind. This fixes both problems at once. The Luxgaze is a windproof flameless plasma lighter with a 4-inch flexible neck that bends 360 degrees to reach deep candle holders or awkward angles. The zinc alloy metal body feels far sturdier than a plastic lighter. It's USB-C rechargeable for up to 600 uses per charge, and a 4 LED indicator always shows your battery level. It also has a child-proof safety lock and an automatic 8-second shutoff for extra protection. Comes as a pack of 4, one for the kitchen, one for the grill, one for camping, one as backup. Link below. Most people who track their fitness measure weight. Almost nobody accurately tracks body shape over time because doing it by hand with a regular tape measure is inconsistent and easy to misread. The Fitdays tape measure pairs with the Fitdays app over Bluetooth and records your measurements automatically and calculates body fat percentage and waist to hip ratio, graphing your progress over time. It's accurate to about plus or minus 0.118 inches, has a large LED display so you know it's squinting at tiny markings, and a retractable easy lock hook lets you measure solo without help. A more precise way to actually see your body composition change. Link below. If you already own DEWALT 20-volt tool batteries, this turns one of them into a car battery booster with a push of a button. Slide in a compatible 20-volt max or flex-volt DEWALT battery, and it boosts a dead 12-volt car or truck battery instantly. It's built with integrated metal clamps, an impact-resistant polymer housing, and an ultra-bright LED work light, plus dual 5-volt 2.1 amp USB ports to charge your phone or other devices on the go. If you're already in the DEWALT ecosystem, this is one less separate gadget to buy and store. Link below. Fumbling for a light switch in a dark closet or cabinet is a small annoyance that happens almost every day. The Ferswe light bar automatically turns on when it senses movement within a 120-degree range, about 12 feet, then shuts off after 20 seconds of inactivity, or you can switch it to always-on mode for steady lighting while you work. It offers 3 color temperatures from warm to cool white, a battery level display, a 2000 mAh battery with Type-C fast charging, and 2 strong magnetic bases for tool-free adhesive mounting. The light also adjusts up to 135 degrees to aim exactly where you need it. Closets, cabinets, mirrors, desks, instant light, no wiring. Link below. Your car and countertops collect crumbs, pat hair, and dust faster than a full-size vacuum is worth dragging out for. The ATONEP delivers up to 9,000 pascals of suction from a high-efficiency motor spinning at 36,000 RPM with 2 speed settings and noise kept under 78 dB. It fully charges in 3 to 4 hours and runs for 25-plus minutes per charge with an LED indicator to track battery life. The 0.5-liter dust cup has a leak-proof design, and the HEPA filter captures 99.98% of dust. Both the cup and filter are removable for easy cleaning. At just 1.46 pounds, it's light enough for quick daily use in the car, kitchen, or stairs. Small, strong, and always within reach. Link below. Stirring coffee, protein powder, or hot chocolate every morning by hand is a habit nobody thinks about until they stop doing it. The Mongdio mug has a magnetic stirring bead at the bottom. Double-click the handle button to start stirring and again to stop. It displays real-time temperature in Fahrenheit so you know exactly how hot your drink is. And it charges over USB, so a power bank keeps it going even away from an outlet. Made from food-grade ABS and 316 stainless steel, it holds 13.5 ounces of fluid and runs off a 400 mAh battery, good for dozens of uses per charge. No extra spoon, no guessing the temperature. Link below. Notebooks pile up, tablets aren't built for actual handwriting, and reflective glass screens strain your eyes for hours of reading. The Penstar eNote 2 is a 10.3-inch e-ink digital notebook that removed the usual capacitive touch layer, giving a cleaner, more paper-like display, readable even in direct sunlight. It supports 8,192 pressure levels for smooth, natural handwriting, offers real-time AI voice-to-text and handwriting-to-text conversion, and lets you split the screen to read and take notes simultaneously. It packs 128 gigabytes of storage and a 6,500 mAh battery rated for about 2 weeks of use, plus a built-in camera for document scanning. The bundle includes two B5 pens with spare nibs and a leather folio cover. A genuine paper replacement for note takers and heavy readers. Link below. Reusable bottles are great for the planet and genuinely unpleasant if you forget to wash them for a few days. The VSITOO S1 Pro is a 15-ounce insulated stainless steel bottle with automatic UVC self-cleaning. AI sensing starts a cycle based on use, and it automatically shuts off if the cap is opened or the light points towards a person, so it's built with safety in mind. You can control cleaning schedules through the VSITOO app or directly from the touchscreen, and the display shows temperature with simple color cues. One magnetic charge lasts up to 30 days, it's IPX7 water resistant, and double wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. A bottle that cleans itself so you don't have to remember to. Link below.
If the idea of a pocket sticker printer already caught your attention, here's a smaller, lighter option built for something a little more playful. The Rongta mini printer is a Bluetooth inkless thermal label maker that connects through the Rongta app and prints at 203 dpi for clear, high-definition black and white output. It comes with continuous thermal label roll paper you can cut into any shape or size with scissors, making it a fun tool for bullet journals, study notes, and everyday labeling. At just 120 grams, it's genuinely pocket-sized, and there's zero ink or toner to ever replace. A budget-friendly, kid- and student-friendly way to print stickers and labels anywhere. Link below. And that's the 16th PickSnap Roundup. 16 products, cleaning tools, smart home upgrades, personal tech, and small everyday fixes that add up. Every single one is linked below with my affiliate link. Same price for you, small cut comes back to us, and that's what keeps this channel going every week. Drop in the comments what category you want us to dig into next. We read everything. Hit subscribe if you want to see what we pick next. New video every week. See you in the next one.